we're taking a trip around the world today. Where? I'm not gonna act like you haven't read the title. It's our second YouTube series. And for this series, we're traveling to the Philippines. Okay, so we're not actually going there, but we are gonna explore the cuisine. This series is all about exploring Filipino food. Filipino cuisine. This series is all about exploring Filipino cuisine. We're gonna try to make each dish with what we have here, with a few twists along the way. We're starting off this Filipino food series right with a cocktail. Cheers. Nope. We're gonna do my rendition of a Filipino cocktail. That way we can enjoy it while we're cooking the rest of the Filipino food in the series. I am so excited. So, let's make this thing. And I'll leave the recipe in the description below. Alright, so what kind of cocktail are we making? I was thinking, you know what? Let's do a rendition of a Filipino whiskey sour. Easy enough to start off with. And so, what brings the Filipino in there is this calamansi. This is a citrus found in the Philippines. It's almost looks like a hybrid of like a lime and an orange to me. You know, the fruit is small like a lime or even smaller, but the inside is orange. It's crazy. I've never tried it before, and sadly I couldn't find the fruit at any grocery store by me. I got the next best thing, alright? It's calamansi concentrate. We're gonna throw it in our whiskey sour. This is gonna be easy. Let's do this. Let's get this calamansi juice going. Gonna unwrap this and check it out. Let's give it a quick taste since I've never tried this before. Oh, that's good. It's a little sweet because unfortunately this has added sugar in it, but the citrus flavor is very nice, very lemon orange-like. So let's take this, throw it in a pitcher, and add 3 cups of water. We're just stirring that until it dissolves. I'm sure it's calamansi juice. Yep, it still is. And it's still delicious. Let's make a honey simple syrup now. Grab a mason jar, tea. If yours is filled with tea, empty it out. We're gonna take some honey, and we're just gonna do a half a cup, mixed with a half a cup of water. AKA equal parts. Throw a lid on there, and just shake that up. Honey simple syrup, it's so simple. Alright, so our ingredients are prepped. Let's start building this cocktail. Alright, we got all of our ingredients. Let's start going. Alright, y'all gotta move. Alright. Give me some room. Alright, starting off with our shaker. Throwing in some ice. Okay, egg. We're gonna do 2 ounces of bourbon. 1, 2. Followed by 1 ounce of our calamansi juice. We're gonna do a ½ ounce of our honey simple syrup. About a ¼ ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. And the last ingredient, a little bit of egg white. Now some whiskey sours have egg white, others don't. Usually when an egg white is included, it's called a Boston sour. So we're gonna put a little egg white in there. So what is this called? Wrong! It's a Filipino sour. But if you said Filipino sour, good job. And even if you didn't, great work. Alright, so I'm just gonna separate out the egg yolk real quick. Egg yolk. Move that off to the side. And we're only gonna dump about half of it in. I don't want it to be too full-bodied and foamy. That's also why we're not gonna dry shake. All right, let's cap that up and shake. What are you doing up there? I just did a video course and it says you're supposed to be at eye level with me. No, try again. There you go. See? Eye contact. Don't blink. Don't blink. Ah, you won. All right, quit messing around. Let's pour this thing. All right, I'm gonna use a coupe for this drink, also called serving it up. Perfect. But wait, we're not done. Since this is a Filipino cocktail, I wanna make it extra special by doing a little design with some orange bitters. Let's try to make the star on the Filipino flag. We'll do 3 drops on the outside, and 1 big drop in the middle for the sun. We'll take a chopstick and make the rays. And that doesn't look as cool as I thought it would. But you got what I was going for, right? Anywho's. Alright, let's give this a try. I'll be so disappointed if it's not good. Filipino sour. Oh, this is J-Mac approved. And it's the perfect cocktail to kick off our Filipino series. I'm so excited. You have the bourbon and the honey always brings out that bourbon flavor a little bit. But the calamansi actually pairs really well with bourbon. And it's just so smooth. And with that extra little bit of body from the egg white, it's just like Filipino sour. Filipino sour. Filipino sour. Have I mentioned that I am so excited about this series idea? You gotta come along. This is just a quick video. It's just the start. We're gonna get into some crazy Filipino dishes, and I'm not even sure how we're gonna do some of them with the resources that we have, but we're gonna make it work. So come along on this adventure. For now, thank you. All right, I'm done. Damn it. Stupid. Just stay up there.